All right, so anyway, you want your wire cutters, you're gonna need those. And depending on the size of wire, you can strip it with these. Works great. Here's our lamps. We got 2 more to put in. And you know what? I paid, I'm not kidding you, I paid 30 bucks for 4 of these. So cheap. Unbelievable. It's a great deal. And I'm going to buy more because I got a bid to replace my lights. $3,000 to come out and do this. I'm doing it myself. I got my own wire. I got my own, you know, all this stuff. And I just saved, I spent $100 for the transformer, which is a 200-watt transformer. Put that together. It was simple. I don't know nothing about electricity, okay? I know nothing about electricity, hardly at all. I just, you know, positive, negative, blah, blah, blah. I'm not an electrician, but this is low voltage, so it's no big deal. So anyway, you can do it. I mean, save yourself, don't hire somebody. Oh my God, they charge so much money. It's insane. All right, so let's get to it. So first things first, we're gonna strip both of these. I'm gonna get in here. I'm gonna go to my 18 level. I'm gonna give it a twist around so it cuts the wire. And I'm gonna pull, and it pulls the wire right off. Apparently some fucker's doing something upstairs. You get around the wire, pull it off. There we go, nice and clean. Got 1 more to do. Should have bought more of these. Should have bought more of these. But now I'm practicing here at the condo, and then I'm going to do it at my house. Put a bunch of uplighting. All right, so those are stripped. Next, we got to put these on. So be careful. See how that nut fell out? You don't want that to happen. Because you lose the nut, you can't use this thing. Unbelievable. What are they doing up there? We came in here because it's cooler. Man, it's like 150 degrees outside in Florida right now. Unbelievable. Get them strong fingers. Get them nice and tight so they don't droop. And if that doesn't work, just go like that. Tighten it down that way. Get your last tighten with the wrench or the needle noses. Don't want to do it too bad because you want to break it. These are plastic, but that's tight. That's good. That's needs more. Get it on there tight. There we go. Now it'll stay in position. So you want it to stay in position when you point it. And then all you gotta do is put your stakes in. Stake that vampire. All right, here we go, stick it in. You put it in the tail end. Look out, Mr. Wizard. Ooh, that felt good. All right, so there you go. That's it. Now you're ready to rock and light the schnazzle out of everything. Okay, wire nuts. 4 of them. That's all we need. Leave the other ones here. We'll bring our implements of destruction after we've cooled off a little bit and go fix this. All right, so I've got 2 of these. I'm going to put 1 here, and I'm going to have it spotlighting on here so that when people are walking up at night, they don't break their necks, which I think is a smart idea. And I've already taken the old one out. I just got to take these wire nuts off and attach them here, and we'll have that set up. Take 2 seconds. All right, so we got our light. And we already stripped it. It's ready to go. All we gotta do is hook it onto here. We could probably just use these wire nuts. I'm gonna clean this off a little bit because I like to have it nice and clean. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna just go ahead and redo it because there we go. Get it cleaner. There we go. Now we've got, ow. I want to get that wire in your finger. It hurts. So you gotta twist it. Nice and twisty. And we might as well just go ahead and use the old wire nuts, right? Well, I mean, waste not, want not. That's a good credo to have. So let's just go ahead and hook it right in there. Nice and tight. Tight like a tiger. That worked. Grab the other one, grab your other wire nut. Get them both in there. Twist them in, nice and tight. I'm gonna come back later and wrap them with electrical. But for now, we're just gonna get it on there, and then we'll come and finish the job as soon as we get all of our other lamps. All right, so that's there. And we're gonna take our light, and I'll bury all this later. But we're gonna put it, I think, right here. Right there. It's gonna be pointing directly at the step, so people will not break their legs. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Now we just got to go test it by turning on the light and see if it works. I'm just going to pop this on. So you can see all of our lights. And oh, look, check it out. Definitely working. There she be. All right, and we got light on here now. Shit, I might as well just go buy some more of those. I mean, for 31 bucks for 4 of them, that's a great deal.